Okay, here is another type of questions, okay? Log x plus 2 log 4 equals to something. So this questions is different from the previous one. Why? Okay, so you can see that the unknown here is the power. But here, the unknown is on the ground, log x, okay? 呢一度個 unknown 咧係喺上邊天上邊嘅。That's why you have to take log on the both side and you have to drag this one down here on the ground, okay? 點解我要 take log？ 因為個 power 係個 unknown， 所以我要拉佢落嚟。點樣拉佢落嚟？兩邊我都要 take log 去拉佢落嚟。And for this one, okay, the unknown is on the ground already. You don't have to drag anything down there, okay? So that's why you have to remove the log, okay? 呢條題目同頭先唔同，頭先係兩邊一齊加 log， 而呢一條題目咧係兩邊，而家你要 remove the log, okay? So how to remove the log? So first of all, you have to change it to log something equals to log something, and then you can remove the log. Okay, so how? So first of all, you have to combine these things together. So how to combine them? You can't use root 3 directly because, do you remember? Log something plus log something is equal to log and then brackets. But here you have the 2. Okay, so you have to move the 2 back to the index. Okay, you move it back to the index. And then now it's log something plus log something. Okay? Log something plus log something. Okay? So now you can use the summary root 3. So here, you can change it to log x times 4 squared equals to log 48. So that means 16x 48. So now is log something equals log something. So you can remove the log. Okay. Right hand side, the instant rule is very similar, but this one, okay, you can see that plus 1, okay? So you can change it to log something in order to remove the log. 要大家都有 log 一嚿嘢等於 log 一嚿嘢，你先可以 remove 個 log 嘅。咁但係呢度冇 log 啦。So that's why you have to add back the log first. So how? Plus 1. So you have to use the summary root 2. Okay, log 10 equals to 1. So here we have to use, we can change it to log 10. And then similar to here, log something plus log something. Log something plus log something. Then you can change it to multiplication. Okay, both sides is log something equals log something. Okay, and then you can remove the log. And then this one would become simple calculation. So you can just throw the 16 to the right hand side, x equals to 3. And then for this one, you can throw minus 10 to the right hand side, plus 10 minus 10, so you can cancel out. So here would be 9x equals to 0, x equals to 0. Okay, and one last thing, okay, is that 0, when you substitute it back to here, log 0 minus 10, so that means log negative 10 is math error. Okay, when you press your calculator, it's error. So therefore, you have to reject this answer. Okay, whenever you see negative, you have to bear in mind that you have to double check the answer whether you will receive a math error. So if you receive a math error, so you have to write down no real solution. Okay, so this is the second type of questions.